How to find Hertz Roadside Assistance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Hertz. Here, you'll find Customer Support. Go to the Customer Support page. Here, you will need to select a country. Simply click on Select a Country and you will find all the countries available. Select your country and press on Continue. After you press on Continue in here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find domestic reservation, international reservation, and Hertz Gold Plus rewards. Here, you'll find phone number, fax number, email address, and hours of operation. You can directly call them through the number as well. And if it's not that important, you can simply email them as well. And this is how to find Hertz Roadside Assistance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.